honestly. I really do quite apologise.
Just don't ever get ready with the band. Seriously, we'll be waiting hours. I was supposed to leave at 8, so yeah.
Whoops. I need someone with a lot of patience. If you got a lot of patience, hit me up. No, I'm kidding. But we're on a little adventure today. We're going to go to Matakana and just go wherever the road takes us.
That's good. I like that.
Cape Reinga. That's about as far as you can get. What is this, mate? What do you call that?
He wanted me to pass,
Ah,
but I didn't want to zoom past him. Wasn't worth it.
so we're on our way to Omaha, and we're going to do it a little bit different. So, except
Don't know where we're going.
yeah, like a bit different. Instead of using a GPS, we are going to just follow the signs, the road signs, and see how well New Zealand does with their road signing.
I don't even know if I'm going the right way. I haven't even seen an Omaha sign yet.
No, neither have I. But I mean, it's all part of the adventure, you know.
Amanda's adventure.
Oh, shameless plug. Follow me on Snapchat,
Instagram.
Yeah, so we'll just take you guys along. We've just been, I think I already said, but anyway, we just been to this cute waterfall little area by Matakana, which we found. I'll insert some footage here. Oh, look, I've seen a sign.
Okay, we got to turn right.
Boom. We're doing well, girl.
We on the right track.
We're on the right track. Oh, girl, you need to clean that window. I think it's on the inside.
Really?
Yeah. But anyway. Yeah, just to update you guys, we got a bit distracted with the music. And now we're going to pick our own strawberries. So, we're just trying to find which driveway to go down. It's pretty gravelly.
Oh my gosh, there's so many driveways down here.
Maybe we've passed it.
Oh no, we're going to someone's property.
That
Really
looks
in the middle of the road, maybe I should.
Oh yeah, girl. Move that booty. We just got our purple bucket. And we're gonna go and pick some. There's some juicy ones in here, apparently just behind this bush.
Ooh.
These ones are open too. Just a little secret between you and I. She said we could eat some.
We're going to eat more than we pay for. No. The juicy ones.
Mm.
Can't really see what the sun is on.
Yum.
They are.
Oh my gosh, so cute.
Take it.
I love
I'm going
it.
to try and get big ones.
Yeah. Oh, look. Big mama.
They are good.
Are they Gucci?
Sorry, I'm just putting these away.
This one's actually not that ripe.
Still be nice to eat.
Mm-mm.
Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl. Don't be afraid, won't let you fall, girl.
I feel like when they talk about the grass is always greener on the other side, that concept applies here.
Yep.
Because I mean, like, I'm looking at all these ones along here and I'm like, ooh, they look juicy. So the camera camera battery just died on us. We were just at...
Wait, which way should I go?
Oh,
Should I go Campbell's Beach or no?
yeah. Bad.
Sorry, we couldn't make up our mind.
Is there someone behind you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is the way to Tafanui. We should just go to Tafanui.
Totally could. Yes, so we were just at Omaha or Omana. It's some people call me. Yeah, and we just had a dance rave on the beach. It was so fun.
So sick. You're so sick, mate.
We found this destination. I'll show you guys.
Destination 5 million.
Yeah. This is called Buckleton Bay. Look at it. So nice. So remote as well, eh?
Yeah.
So hardly anyone here. Love it. Anyway. Ciao!
Afraid won't let you fall.